pretty. Everybody can see?
Yeah. That'd be an amazing view from the boats,
Yeah.
I feel like. You'd be really close though.
Yeah, that's those two boats that are there. I guess that's one of the things you go out for. I still don't know that I think that would be worth it though, because you don't see the falls during the daytime. Unless they buy a big package or something.
What's that clock over there?
Going the other way.
Oh no, what's that clock over there?
The
Those
clock?
ones are big, guys.
Can you see, Lauren?
Hey, man. Oh, the green ones are even bigger, guys.
Yeah.
The green and blue ones are giant.
Ooh,
There's a
that's a
green
pretty
one.
one.
There's a green one. There's a green
Those
one.
are gold.
Oh, my gold's green.
Oh, that one's pretty.
That one was green. That's gold. Green.
Oh, I like that one, the circle one.
Green.
You want me to say the colors?
Whoa. That one's cool.
Looks like they're coming closer and closer.
Uh-huh. Like they're gonna attack us. What if one just comes straight at us? Mom, where's that clock?
What clock? I don't know what clock you're talking about.
See that?
Do you mean the Ferris wheel?
There's a Ferris wheel?
Yeah, it's in behind that wall.
Yeah, the yellow ones are the biggest. So.
That's true. Oh, that's pretty.
Uh-huh.
Isn't that pretty?
This is the finale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The end.
Oh, look at some green in there too, and sparklies.
Now I want to see the biggest.
Pretty. Wow.
It'd be real hard to sleep here.
Well, I have to admit, probably being on a boat would be fun to see them. But I think it's kind of, I don't know if I would like it at night, not being able to see the falls.
The boats are right underneath them.
Yeah, I know, they are. Yay!